Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are going to solve manufacturing related problems of GATE 2014. I will first show you the questions. See the questions. Okay, so let us proceed. Which one of the following metal forming processes is the earring defect associated with? Means in among the four processes, which one has got earring defect? We know about the earring defect, right? Earring defect basically tells about the formation of ears when we do deep drawing, right? So this is associated with deep drawing, and this happens because of anisotropy. Means properties are different along different direction. Okay, which one of the following NDT techniques cannot be used to detect an internal crack in a steel shaft? Okay, so it is talking about an internal crack. Suppose this is a shaft, right? And there is a defect in between. So we have to detect this defect like liquid penetrant inspection. This is nothing but dye penetrant that is used at surface only. Okay. So this cannot detect the defect. Let us see other options. Radiography. Radiography it can because in the radiography high energy beams are sent that scans the complete body actually and it travels through the body. Ultrasonic testing it can be done, right? X-ray tomography this can also be done. Actually X-ray tomography if you study then this is basically a 3D creation 3D model creation technique where layer by layer we study the features and make a 3D picture, right? So when we do layer by layer study, so we can easily detect if there is any kind of defect which is inside of this, okay, because that defect would appear in some layer. Okay, next, which one of the following welding processes uses a non-consumable electrode? So non-consumable electrode, right? So gas tungsten arc welding, yes. In TIG process, this is also called TIG process, we use a non-consumable. That means the electrode is of tungsten, right? And because it is of made up of tungsten, it has got higher melting point. So what happens? It does not melt. In return, it melts the target, that is the metal which is used for welding. Then gas metal arc welding, here we use consumable, submerged consumable. Okay, fine. The 2 marks question. A metal powder with an apparent density of 2.5 gram per centimeter cube was compacted in a cylindrical die to a green density of 5.5 gram per cm cube. If the height of the green sample was 12 mm, then the fill height of powder in mm would have been. Okay, so we have a cylindrical die, like suppose. Now here we put the powder. When we initially put the powder, then this height is called as HF, that is fill height. And suppose it has got area A, base area A. And what is the density of the powder? Where we know it is called as apparent density, right? When we just fill in a cylinder, okay? So rho is equal to 2.5 gram per cm cube, fine. Then after this compaction, the area will be same. The only thing will be reduced is the height, right? This is the height in green compact. Fine. And this is given as 12 mm. And the density is also given 5.5. So density increases after this compaction process because the pores get eliminated, right? It is known. So in both cases, the only thing which is going to be constant is the mass. So we will do the mass balance. So mass equal to density into velocity, density into volume, right? So density, the first case we know it is 2.5, and volume it will be area into height. Height will be hf, which we know need to calculate. Here it is 5.5 into area into 12 mm. So this implies hf equal to area cancel 5.5 into 12 divided by 2.5. So calculate this. I have done the calculation. It is 26.4. Right? So it is very easy. Now let us move. In a sand casting of a rectangular slab, we are casting a rectangular slab, right? Something like this. The thickness of the solidified layer after 2 minutes is known to be 3 cm. Based on Sorinov's rule, the solidified thickness in centimeter after 4 minutes is. Do you know the Sorinov rule? It says time taken is directly proportional to mold constant. This is K mold constant and it is directly proportional to P by A whole square. Right? So this can also be called a Kx square. X equal to thickness. You have volume and area. If you divide, then it will be length. Okay. So T is equal to Kx square. So in the first case, it is given 2 minutes. K will be constant K, and the thickness was 3 centimeters. So it was 3 square. Okay. The second case, it is asking after 4 minutes. So let us take as 4 to K, thickness let it be Y, suppose. Then we will divide these two. So 1 by 2 is equal to 3 square by Y square. This implies Y is equal to 3 root 2. That is equal to 4.24 centimeter. Okay guys. So thank you. Hope this will help you in your gate preparation.